Hello, my name is Amina. I am 12 years old, and I live in Kenya. I have many friends. They are kind and funny. This is Grace. She is my best friend. She likes reading and playing games. Grace and I are in the same class. We study together every day. We like English. That's Paul. He is very smart. He loves science and helps us with homework. Paul is also in our class. When Grace, Paul, and I work on a group project, we have fun. I also have a pet dog named Lucky. It is very playful and small. Lucky loves to run and bark. I take it to the park on Sundays. Our teacher is very nice. Her name is Miss Mary. She teaches English and math. When she teaches, she speaks slowly so we can understand. When we see our friends, we always say, "Hello. How are you?" We smile, talk, and learn together. Subject pronouns help us speak and write better. Instead of saying names again and again, we can say I, you, he, she, it, we, and they.
My name is Daniel, and I live in Accra, Ghana. I am 14 years old, and I study at Central Junior High School. I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get dressed for school. I eat breakfast with my family at 6:30. My mother makes tea and bread, and my sister helps her in the kitchen. At 7 o'clock, I walk to school with my best friend, Felix. School starts at 7:30. We study English, mathematics, science, and social studies. My favorite subject is science because I like doing experiments. Our teacher, Mr. Asare, explains everything clearly. During break time, we eat snacks and talk with friends. I usually eat a banana or some biscuits. After school, I return home at 2:30 in the afternoon. I eat lunch, take a short nap, and then do my homework. In the evening, I play football in the yard with Felix and my neighbors. We enjoy playing until it gets dark. Then I go inside, take a shower, and eat dinner with my family. After dinner, I read a book or watch TV for a little while. I go to bed at 9:30 every night. On weekends, I visit my grandparents, help with housework, or go to the library. I don't go to school on Saturday or Sunday, but I always review my notes. This is my daily routine. I like my life because I learn new things every day and spend time with the people I love.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Linda Jones, and I am a teacher at Global English School in London. In our classroom, we have students from different countries. It is a very international class, and I enjoy teaching them every day. Let me introduce some of my students. This is Ali. He is from Egypt, so he is Egyptian. He speaks Arabic and a little English. He is very friendly. Every morning, he says, "Good morning, Mrs. Jones," and gives me a big smile. Next to Ali sits Maria. She comes from Mexico. She is Mexican. She is very good at English. She always says, "Hello. How are you?" when she enters the classroom. Maria loves reading and writing. Yuki is from Japan, so she is Japanese. She is quiet but very smart. She often says, "Nice to meet you," when she meets new students. She helps her classmates with homework. Then there is David. He comes from Germany. He is German. He loves drawing pictures of classroom objects. He says, "Good afternoon," when he comes to school after lunch. Our classroom has many useful objects. We have desks, chairs, books, and notebooks for every student. On the teacher's desk, there are many pens, pencils, rulers, and erasers. There is also a whiteboard at the front of the room. I write on the board every morning before class begins. Sometimes, we play games with flashcards to learn new words. The students enjoy using their crayons to draw colorful pictures. At the end of the day, they put their things in their school bags and say, "Goodbye, teacher. See you tomorrow." I love teaching my international students. They are polite, kind, and full of curiosity. They speak different languages, but we all use English to learn together. In our classroom, we don't just learn words, we also learn about friendship, respect, and working together.
Mr. Smith, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Global Language School. Anna, Carlos, May, good morning, teacher. Mr. Smith, my name is Mr. Smith. I am your English teacher. Let's start with some introductions. What's your name? Anna. My name is Anna. I am from Germany. I am German. Carlos, I'm Carlos. I come from Mexico. I'm Mexican. May, my name is May. I'm from China. I am Chinese. Mr. Smith, great. Now let's talk about the classroom. Can you name some objects? Anna, I see a whiteboard. Carlos, this is a pen. May, I have a notebook and a pencil. Mr. Smith, very good. We also have chairs, desks, books, rulers, and erasers. Carlos, what is this? Mr. Smith, that is a school bag. You put your books and pencils in it. Anna, oh, I have one too. Mr. Smith, now, let's use subject pronouns. For example, I am Mr. Smith. You are my students. Carlos is a student. He is from Mexico. May is a student. She is from China. This is a pen. It is blue. Anna and Carlos are friends. They sit together. Anna and I are in class. We learn English. Carlos, so we say he for boys, she for girls, and it for things. Mr. Smith, exactly. Great job, Carlos. May, what time do we start class every day? Mr. Smith, class starts at 8 a.m. We learn English from Monday to Friday. Anna, do we get homework? Mr. Smith, yes, but only a little. You write one sentence every day using subject pronouns and classroom objects. Carlos, that sounds easy. May, I like learning English. Mr. Smith, I'm happy to hear that. Now let's practice greetings again. Carlos, say hello to May. Carlos, hello, May. How are you? May, I'm fine, thank you. And you? Carlos, I'm good. Mr. Smith, well done, everyone. Let's begin today's lesson.